Here's a JVC Bluetooth touchscreen installed on a GMC Yukon. This is body style 99 to 2002. Now this vehicle is considered a DIN and a half radio. This is what the original dash piece looks like. There's not enough room to put in a double DIN here. This is where the AC controls go. In most cases, a lot of hack shops out there will chop off this piece here to make room for the double DIN opening and then trim out this top portion here, and then it ends up having a jagged edge going across the top. We don't do that here at Innovative Car Sound. We replace the entire dash with a new dash trim piece. It has the factory original look with the double DIN opening, and it still has the trim piece going across the bottom that divides the radio and the AC controls. This is a Bluetooth double DIN, AM, FM, CD, DVD, sends and receives phone calls, streams your music wireless from any Bluetooth device. It also has a USB tab right here on the corner. And you can plug up your phone, charge it, have direct access to the Pandora feature, and a USB stick with music on it. Double DIN installation, 99 to 2002 GMC Yukon, Suburban, Tahoe, Sierra, and the Silverado. We have the dash piece in stock and ready to go for your vehicle. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Tickets. Here we are. Keep listening for your next chance to win on that.